Alright, we got a fresh snow in the Uintas. June 20th, 2022. Welcome to the Highline Trail. Woo! Hope it's not this cold in July. We made it to the Highline Trail Eastern Terminus. This is a Hayden Peak trailhead. Any luck? About a month from now, we'll be exiting the trail right here. Highline Trail 2022, here we come. The fresh snow. Baby, it's cold out there. All right, we made it up the Uintas after a nice fresh snow. June 20th, 2022, we're gonna try the Fehr Lake Trail. We're gonna hike down to a couple of these lakes, maybe catch a couple of fish, and head on back home because it's like winter time. Who would have thought we'd be donning our coats, hiking in 29-degree weather in June 20th in the Uintas. There's Christy over there putting her third layer on because it's cold. Truck said 29 degrees, and we have Butt Nugget with us here today. And well, her name's not Butt Nugget, but it's Hannah. Anyway, we're gonna hike Fehr Lake Trail. It's a short trail, maybe 3.5 miles round trip to hit those 4 or 5 lakes that are down in there. Let's see if we can't catch some fish. Looks like Christy's all bundled up, ready to go.
It's cold. For
our middle of the summer winter hike. All right, looks like we got our first water crossing on a boardwalk trail covered in water. Oh, Christy's taking the high road. Well, even with the midsummer snow, I even got spring, if you want to call it spring, flowers coming out to greet us. Look at how pretty those are. Heck yeah. All right, looks like we already got sight of the first lake, Fehr Lake, right here through the tree. Awesome. All right, we're only about a half mile in. Looks like we've already made it to the first lake, Fehr Lake. It's right here on my right. The nice dusting of snow-covered mountains behind there. Well, the flowers are still trying even though it's snow on the ground. It's pretty white flowers. Whole area of them. Pretty. We just came up this little boardwalk trail behind us here. So snakes on down through the meadow there behind us. Put a lot of work into this trail, this boardwalk. All right, so we've descended quite a bit on this trail coming down into this Shepherd Lake, and right now we're at 10,200 feet. So I'm guessing we probably started around 10,500 feet at the trailhead. I'll check it when I get back, but we're gonna have a little bit of a climb coming back out of here. Yep. Good thing it's only 1.5 miles. But yeah, Hannah's having the time of her life down here running the trail back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. She's gonna be a tired dog coming home. So hiking down this trail, there's all these little ponds and little mini lakes all through here, both sides of the trail. Pretty. Give you a nice reflection on the water. Yeah, check that lake out. That's pretty nice. Yep. A little breezier down here by the lake because there's no shelter from the trees. But yep, there it is. Shepherd Lake. Got the Uinta Range up there above it. So looking across the lake there, looks like there's a waterfall dumping into the lake. Hard to see through the trees there, but right there you can kind of see it. All right, there's one more lake up ahead of us here called Hoover Lake. So we're gonna leave Shepherd Lake behind for a little bit. Check out this Hoover Lake. I can see it already. It's really close. It's right down there in the tree line.
See Hannah?
Yeah. All right, we just came down the trail here. Big old sign, if you didn't know where we're at, we do now. Hoover Lake. That's a big one too.
That is.
Got the size of that thing. Yeah, that's a good size
Really
lake.
big, huh?
Holy cow. Awesome. Come on, fishy, fishy. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Come to Papa. Well, looks like Christy knows how to stay warm when it's 39 degrees out here.
I don't think it's 39.
Or
Maybe.
maybe 39. It's in the 30s. I had one little bite. Let's see if we can get that happening again. All right, I tried my luck at Hoover Lake for about 30 minutes. No luck, just one bite, but no hookups. We saw a whole bunch of fish surfacing at Shepherd Lake. So we're gonna go back to that one, fish it for a little bit. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit because it's still pretty chilly out here. All right, made it back up to Shepherd Lake, and look at that. The sun is starting to light up that mountain. Rock to fish from, huh?
What's that?
It's a
Oh,
nice
yeah.
rock to fish from.
For sure. Ooh, sunshine.
These fish just don't like my lure. The top feeders, the fly fish this area probably. Look at that guy right in front of me.
I don't want what you got.
I could rig up a fly in a bubble. Pretty nice. I see fish surfacing out there. Heck yeah. I think my luck's about to change. Well, this is summer in the Uintas. Getting real. We gotta head back to the truck. Might be a skunky day today. Oh! I just had a fish hit the fly. Right on. Wrapping it up, man. I totally had a fish bite my fly right there. So that's the ticket. We're experiencing whiteout conditions in the Uintas in June. Heck yeah, this is living. I owe Christy big time. She was taking one for the team for this adventure. She hates the cold. Even Hannah's got a nice fresh white coat. This is what a 20% chance of snow looks like in the Uintas. Whew. Heck yeah. Gotta love the Uintas. June 20th in the Uintas. 10,000 feet. They have a weather pattern of their own. It's awesome. Hannah, she turned white. That's pretty good dusting. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using my sunglasses. Covered in snow. Well, sure is a peaceful hike in the snow. Looks like we got a fresh inch of snow in late June. Can happen. Look at my brim. Yep. Good old Uintas for you. Little fish just jumped right there. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Oh, he just hit it. Come on, hit it again. Well, now that we decided to turn back and call it, looks like a little bit of blue sky is sneaking through. That's Bald Mountain right there behind the clouds.
Yeah, okay.
Well, hey Hannah, what you doing? Hey, we just finished Fehr Lake, Hoover Lake, and Shepherd Lake Trail. Started out cold. Middle of it ended up being a blizzard. And we got a little peak of sunshine at the end, but we got her done. It's about 3 miles round trip, a little more. Fished each lake, had some bites at each lake, but no fish caught. But anyway, it's a fun time anyway. Experience to hike in the snow in June, late June. It's crazy Uinta weather. Good time. We'll be back up here again end of the week for some more Uintas. She's out. There, dear. From snowstorms to sunsets. Heck yeah.